Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Hurricane Fiona swamps Puerto Rico. Recently, Tropical Storm Fiona intensified into a hurricane as it battered Puerto Rico. It is likely to strengthen before heading toward the Dominican Republic. Hurricane Fiona knocked out all electricity on the US island of Puerto Rico as winds reached 86 miles per hour or 140 km per hour. It is one of the most significant to hit since Hurricane Maria devastated it in 2017. It has devastated the island, ripped up asphalt from roads, swept away a major road bridge, and dumped rain in such quantities that some rivers were rising 20 feet in just hours. Ports have been closed and flights out of the island's main airport have been cancelled. There have also been several road closures, and a highway bridge in Utuado in the island's central mountainous region has been washed away by flooding. Torrential rains and mudslides are also forecast for the Dominican Republic as the hurricane progresses northwest, with the Turks and Caicos Islands also likely to be affected. Significantly, the links between hurricanes and climate change have become clearer with each passing year. Data show that hurricanes have become stronger worldwide during the past 4 decades. Hurricanes are also becoming wetter because of more water vapor in the warmer atmosphere. Also, rising sea levels are contributing to higher storm surges, the most destructive element of tropical cyclones.